Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to change Google Docs to dark mode on PC. So what we have to do is go on Google Chrome extension, type on the search bar Google Chrome extension, now go on it. Now type on the search bar dark mode for Google Doc. Now search it and go on this specific extension Google Docs dark mode. Click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Now as you can see the extension has been added to Chrome. Now click on this puzzle icon on top right corner and pin this extension Google Doc. After adding the extension, refresh the page once. As you can see, the extension is working perfectly fine. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.